వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
ओम अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. नानाशास्त्रविचारणैकनिपुणौ सद्धर्मसंस्थापकौ लोकानां हितकारिणौ त्रिभुवने मान्यौ शरण्याकरौ राधाकृष्णपदारविन्दभजना आनन्देन मत्तालिकौ वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. Today we are going to discuss about Janasangha. Madhyamadhikari interested in slow and steady improvement. Slow and steady wins the race, step by step. So Janasangha means associating with worldly minded persons, worldly minded people. Jana means any jana, sajjana or durjana, because association of devotees is highly desirable. We should not say, Srila Rupa Goswami say, Janasangha is bad, therefore I don't go to any meetings, associations. Nijjana. Janasangha is bad means Nijjana, I don't go anybody. Sitting alone in one place, chant Hare Krishna, prasadam comes. Sometimes people say bhajan and bhojan should do alone. Mayavadis say like that. For us, bhajan and bhojan should be done in Jan. It has to be done in others. Chanting the holy name, hearing the Srimad Bhagavatam. So, Janasangha does not mean don't associate with devotees. Janasangha does not mean don't associate with devotees. Rather means for conquest, means that don't associate with worldly minded people. Contrast. With attraction, deal with them as much as practical dealings. Request, you have to go to the store, you have the smile of the shopkeeper, and so on. You do that, but not the same affection with you do with the devotees. For a devotee, you really give your heart smile, for with the non-devotee only, you give smile. You give your heart only with the devotees. So there are different types of janas, worldly people, that can be very harmful. Broadly, there are two kinds of persons. One are sense gratifiers, another are philosophically misguided persons. It is the two types of bad association. Those who are philosophically deviated, if you place your faith in them, your faith in Krishna consciousness is seriously damaged. Mayavada Bhashya Sunile, Hoy Sarvanas. Vyasdeva made the sutras for the deliverance of Jiva, but the Mayavadis deliberately misinterpreted. If you hear such commentaries, deviated philosophy, then Hoy Sarvanas, you will lose everything. We have to be very careful. We are even among us devotees. We have to be very careful. If we are not studying Srila Prabhupada books carefully, if we are reading other books, this can very easily happen. put ground faith in Srila Prabhupada books before studying this philosophy, that philosophy, this philosophy, that philosophy, that philosophy. In fact, studying Srila Prabhupada books very carefully, you will understand all others' philosophy very easily. You don't really understand others' philosophy. Srila Prabhupada, he teaches us what can we extract from it. Similarly, Mayavadi books, similarly, science and so on. If you study Srila Prabhupada books very carefully, patiently, you have solid grounding. Nobody can deviate you from your path. Many persons make these mistakes. Many books are coming out. If you don't study Srila Prabhupada books carefully, that attraction for reading outside books will become a favor for you. That is a problem. Then you read a little bit of this, little bit of this. You will be busy in all those things. You will be never known what exactly Srila Prabhupada said. So at least 5 days in a week, solidly trained, so that when the deviated philosophy is presented, for example, Ritvik philosophy, it has so many subtitles that somebody may be speaking Ritviks. You may not realize it in that way. But if study Srila Prabhupada books carefully, then your ignorance will dismiss immediately. You will reject all these philosophies. So many things like that. What is to be accepted must be determined. Whatever you may or may not to do, you must study very thoroughly. 5 basic books. Number 1, Bhagavad Gita as it is. Number 2, Sri Isha Upanishad. Number 3, the Nectar of Instruction. Number 4, Nectar of Devotion. And 5, Srimad Bhagavatam, first canto. You must very carefully study them. Within that, Srila Prabhupada protected us. So the other kind of bad association is sense gratifiers. Even among sense gratifiers, there are 2 types of people. Those who enjoys the facilities Krishna is provided, and those who tries to enjoy Krishna himself. Those who tries to enjoy Krishna himself, they are Sahajiyas. Those who try to enjoy facilities Krishna is provided, they are called sense gratifiers. So it is very subtle. Somebody may be using Krishna's facilities for their own sense gratification, may not know this. This is why need a good guidance. As you catch the sensual principles at that time, you need guidance. What you read, what not you read, whom to associate with, whom not to associate with, whom to associate with heart, whom to associate with intellectually, whom to associate with just cordially, whom to avoid. This is very critical. This will break. Srila Prabhupada said, one should not to associate with pseudo devotee. Who is a pseudo devotee? He is wearing the dress of a devotee, but internally sense gratifier. He is not following the previous acharyas. So one name of the person is Dharmadvaji. Dharmadvaji means this is the most injurious of all associations. Dharmadvaji, he carries a flag of Dharma, but he is not a really religious person. Somebody can sing very nicely, but he is not in a mood of service to Krishna. Then he thinks that I really like this kirtan very much. It happens all the time. Yes or no? I am stopping here. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।